His name is Tan Hao Xuan. He is 10 years old. Learn robotics at Robotic Test Kit. This is our project called Fighting Robot. This robot consists of battery, motor, and switch. This fighting robot has a platform for each player, as you can see here. Each player has their own robot design. This platform can only support maximum of 2 robots. This robot will be placed on the platform. Let me show you how it done. For rules and gameplay, my brother will explain it to you.
Hello everyone, my name is Tan Hao Xuan. Let me explain to you the rules and gameplay. To attack, the robot needs to move forward by switching the switch on each side. For defense, the robot needs to move backward by switching the switch each side. Once the robot is ready on the platform, we can start to play game. Each robot will start moving forward to the end of the platform. The robot can use any robot part to knock down its opponent. How to win this game? It is simple. This game has 5 rounds. Just need to win 3 rounds. The robot fall down or knock down will lose the game. Now let's start playing this fighting robot, and it is fun. The winner is Wei Shen. Thanks for watching this video.